Most men think low testosterone only affects sex drive and your gym performance. The crazy part is that those aren't even the most common signs of low T. In this video, I'm gonna show you 9 signs you have low testosterone. And these signs, they come straight from a scientific journal that doctors are trained to look for when judging if a patient has low T. Catching these early is how I got my testosterone to 1,030, which is top 1% globally. That's where I want you to be. Sign number 1, your motivation has disappeared. You know exactly how this feels. All of you watching, you want to be successful, but you have zero motivation to do anything other than just being on your phone. You got zero focus. You used to have fire, you had goals, you were building something in your career, in your body, with your relationships. Now you just scroll. You procrastinate on things that used to take you 20 minutes. That drive to start things and let alone finish them, they're gone. And you tell yourself, oh, it's just burnout, I just need a break. But every time you take a break, it doesn't fix anything. That's because it's low T. You want to see what a high testosterone man sounds like?
Doesn't matter if it's YouTube. I could go over and become Mr. Olympia. I could be the best bodybuilder in the world. I could go to the moon if I wanted to, and then I'm gonna get rich. You know what I mean?
Objectively, no. How are you going to the moon?
Factually,
You gotta be delusional.
How? Define
It's
that.
not important how, because I could.
Yes, it is.
And that's what you don't
If you
understand.
say you can.
I live on Mars. I can do anything, and
That-
I will do everything.
That is what you gotta sound like. That's how much you should believe in yourself. And if you don't, it could be low T. And I promise to get you exactly to that level of mentality by the end of this video. You just don't realize the potential that I see in you once you unlock your testosterone. Sign number 2, diets don't work for you. Your buddy who eats pizza 4 times a week, the dude never counts a calorie, and he has 6-pack abs. Meanwhile, you're always eating salads and somehow you're still gaining weight. Yo, this is why he keeps taking all the girls, bro. He has high T and you probably have low T. It is a loop that you're stuck in because low testosterone causes fat gain. More fat accelerates how much testosterone you lose. The more testosterone you lose, the more fat you gain. And most men are just stuck in this cycle without having any idea why their body is shredded and they're not. So here's how you're gonna break the loop starting in your kitchen. Do not cook any of your food with canola oil, soybean oil, or sunflower oil. These oils are extremely high in fatty acids, which can suppress testosterone. Instead, you should be cooking your food with olive oil, butter, and beef tallow. Because if you eat enough of the healthy fats every day, it helps with your cholesterol, and your testosterone depends on cholesterol. Sign number 3, you wake up tired after 8 hours of sleep. Do you ever just sleep 8 to 9 hours and you still wake up exhausted? This is one of the most common signs of low testosterone because low testosterone doesn't just make you tired, it ruins your sleep quality. And when you're not sleeping well, you're lowering your testosterone even more. That's the trap. Low testosterone leads to worse quality sleep, which leads to even less testosterone. So you sleep for 9 hours, you wake up exhausted, and you think you just need more sleep. So you sleep for 9 hours, you wake up exhausted, and then you think, I need to go back to bed, I need more sleep. First, you need to figure out if you're tired because of sleep or because of low testosterone. If you're watching and wondering if it's your testosterone, I can give you all the signs in the world. But the best one is actually getting blood work done. Then you'll get an accurate range. That's what I did. I went to go get tested. I had to go to the doctor, set up an appointment. I paid like $500 or $600 for it. And they revealed, your boy's a gangster. Top 1%, 1,030 nanograms per deciliter. I mean, that's pretty incredible, bro. But I paid a ton of money. You don't have to do that anymore. The way I test now is with Cyfox Health at home. This is incredibly affordable. It's 1/5 of what it would cost you to go to the doctors. You don't have to do any appointment. You literally just order the kit online. It's painless. There's no needles. You just press a button, you collect the blood work, you ship it back, and you get everything online on our own personal dashboard. Bro, if you're a man and you care about your testosterone, you need to start doing blood tests, and with Cyfox, there's no longer an excuse of having to go to the doctor. Sign number 4, you're losing your hair in all the wrong places. Why do some guys have these thick lumberjack beards while others are stuck with these patchy thin beards? You're never gonna look attractive if you cannot solve this problem. And it's not genetics. Doctors are actually trained by the Endocrine Society to look for thinning body hair because it could be a sign of low testosterone. So right now, I want you to check these 6 areas on your body The more of these areas you don't have hair in, the worse it could be. First is your chest. Second is your lower legs and calves. Third is your forearms. Fourth is your stomach. Fifth is your armpits. And sixth is your patchy beard. You guessing if you have low T is what keeps guys stuck for years until it's too late. And by late, I mean it just stops working on you. And the problem has always been access, because before, for you to get blood work, to know where your testosterone is, you had to get a doctor's appointment, then go to a lab, then get blood drawn, which is extremely painful, and then pay hundreds of dollars and wait weeks to get your report back. Cyfox Health removes every single one of those barriers, and I'm proud to be partnering up with them because this is actually important. Men knowing where their testosterone is literally could be life-changing for you and how you feel and operate. And with Cyfox, all of that is simplified. You literally just click the link down below, go to Cyfox, check out to get your blood drawn, which again, it's extremely affordable, and I'm adding a discount that's gonna make it even a bigger steal. You get this kit at home. The kit is simple to use. First, it comes with an ice pack. You wanna put it in the freezer before you do your blood work the night before. I prep my skin to start the process. The vial is super simple. It's like a button. It goes on your shoulder. You just press once. You don't feel anything. There's no needles. Allow the vial to get filled. You're gonna close up the vial and then you're gonna pre-package it with the ice pack. This is what keeps everything fresh, so it makes it to the lab and you get the most accurate results. Cyfox also includes a shipping label already prepaid, so literally you just stick it, give it to your front doorman, or let USPS pick it up from your mailbox, and within a few days, you're gonna get an entire blood work panel in your own dashboard from your computer. That is how simple it is to finally know where your testosterone levels are. You clicking the link down below could be the most important decision you make in your life, because as a man, having high testosterone, you feel incredible, and that's how I want you to feel. So if you guys want to check out Cyfox, check them out because they're at a crazy discount right now, and start investing in yourself. We are just 4 signs in, and I'm slowly going to get you to transform into a high testosterone male. This is exactly what will happen to you both physically and mentally. But I will never be successful getting you to the strongest version of you, the best you've ever looked, if you don't stop and understand these next 5 signs of low testosterone, that once you catch them and you stop them, I'm telling you, it's gonna explode your testosterone level like it did for me. Sign number 5, your erections are weak. Yo, why do I always get an erection in class, or almost always in the most awkward situations? Yo, it feels completely random and it happens in the worst moments, but there is a real scientific reason that has nothing to do with you being turned on. Sure, because I feel like that's all I think about. Yeah, if you're between 13 and 21 years old, you just got so much testosterone running through your body that triggers your brain to produce more nitric oxide. This increases blood flow everywhere in your body, including down there. Oh, okay. That makes sense. I thought I was just a hornball. Nah, dude, it's just a sign that you're full of test. Wait, you guys sure about this? I barely get them. Yo, the biggest sign of low test level in men is if you're not waking up with morning wood. Damn, I can't remember the last time I even got one. Relax. Just start doing these 2 stretches to start increasing blood flow and performance down there. First, you're gonna do the garland pose. I want you to put your feet wider than your shoulders and then go into a deep squat where your ass literally touches grass, and then hold for 10 seconds. Next stretch, you're gonna lay flat on your back, bend your knees, and start doing hip thrusts. And I want you to hold that at the top for 5 seconds. Repeat 20 times. Do these 2 stretches 3 times every day. Your blood flow is gonna go crazy. Sign 6, you're becoming anemic without knowing it. There are 7 signs of low iron levels. 1, you're losing your hair. 2, you're always tired. Pay attention, because if you have 4 or more of these, you have low T. 3, you get dizzy when you get up. 4, you get out of breath easily. 5, you're always cold. 6, you always have random bruises. You have to understand that testosterone plays a critical role in red blood cell production. When testosterone production drops, so does red blood cell production, which means less oxygen gets delivered to your muscles, your brain, and your organs. And 7, you're always craving ice cream. Depending on how many of these signs you have, could be a sign that you're anemic, because in a study of over 6,000 participants found that those men that had low testosterone were almost 5 times more likely to also be anemic. So let me give you some advice. When you go and buy this Cyfox Health, which every single man watching this should do this, I want you to pick the blood panel that also has complete blood counts. The full panel from Cyfox Health will not only show you your hormonal and testosterone levels, but also your blood cell picture. If your hemoglobin comes back below 13.5, this plus low testosterone, you now understand could be connected. Sign number 7, your chest is soft. Your chest is not hard, not because you're not going to the gym, because you got low T. But there is a difference between man boobs and just chest fat that you can easily burn away. And to test this, you can do it right now. I want you to feel your chest, especially around your nipple. If you notice a slightly firm, tender area right behind the nipple, yo, I'm sorry to tell you, bro, that's not fat. That's breast tissue, my boy. And it has a name, gynecomastia, or man boobs. Now, if you remember sign 2 in this video, I explained how fat cells convert testosterone into estrogen. As estrogen increases in your body, it stimulates the exact same response in your tissue as it does in women, which means breast tissue is gonna start growing in response. Sign number 8, your testicles are shrinking. You can test this at home. Most ignore this sign, but if your testicles are not at least this size, and that's not just me yapping, the Endocrine Society includes testicular volume as a marker to determine if you're deficient in testosterone. They state anything under 5 milliliters is considered problematic. Without sustained testosterone production, the cells inside your testicles that make testosterone, they start to shrink. When it happens, testicular volume also starts to get smaller, and the texture of your boys starts to become softer instead of firmer. Now, the clinical healthy range is between 15 and 25 milliliters per ball. Now, most of you guys probably have no idea what the volume of your balls are, but what really matters is change. We all know what our ball size is. You've probably played with them for years, but if you start noticing significant changes, like one is smaller than the other, or texture changes, that could be a signal that your hormone or testosterone production has been in decline for months or years. Finally, sign number 9,